Okay, I love you, but you gotta let my hand go. We gotta do the video. We agreed. Oh, look at you. Oh my God, you're going crazy over my new leather gloves. Please don't put a hole in them with your sharp little fangs. Okay, let's do it. Okay, we're good. Hey, what's up guys? I wanna show you a little problem I'm having with my rear sight on my Mini 14. So let's take a close-up look at it real quick. Okay, I noticed this when I was at the range one day. I was shooting and I was missing some really easy shots. And I was like, why am I missing some really easy shots? Well, you see the rear sight right there? Watch this. You see all this movement? Yeah. Well, that's why, that's why I was missing. It wasn't just my normal bad shooting skills that was the problem that day. So this thing has been loose this entire time. Or at some point it loosened up on me. Okay, taking a close-up look at it, you would think this screw right here is how you tighten up on it, but it's not. The screw that you really need to tighten up on is this one that's right here on the side. So if you take a 5/64 Allen wrench, this one right here, and come down, you can tighten up on that screw. So after I tighten it up just now you can see that there's no more wiggle on that sight. See how small that Peep Sight is? I like a small sight, but what I really want to do is put some fingernail polish or something on my front blade, because I like placing a specific point of my front blade inside that Peep Sight. Okay, that's how I've always liked to put my sights up. Now I know a lot of you recommend getting the tech sights for the Mini 14, and I have looked them up and they look really nice, but I just want to know what's the benefit of having the tech sight over the normal Mini 14 Peep Sight. I mean, they look really close together as far as appearances go. So is that sight just more adjustable in nature or what? Just put in the comments below if you have that tech sight and how much more of an improvement it is over the normal Peep Sight that's on the Mini 14. Okay, thanks a lot. Make sure to like and subscribe, and please join me on Patreon if you want to support the channel. Please support these things. These are the things that need to be supported here, okay? Ripley, you need support.